Two teams, two conferences. It's a road game for the Rockets, and Houston is looking to play Texas big. Welcome, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to 2K Sports as we get set to bring you some terrific NBA action. I'm Kevin Harlan here with Greg Anthony and Tim Legler, along with our reporter, Allie LaForce. Now, here's Durant. Jared Allen grabs the miss. Now here's Harden. And looks like the illegal... kick was set. Yep, that's right. That'll get their attention.
Beyond the leaning, you could see his feet weren't set on that screen. Easy call.
Also, the ball handler needs to wait until the screener's feet are set.
Now, here is Smith. That one's no good. 0 of 1 to begin the game. Here's Mitchell. Oh, and the dunk by Mitchell.
A dynamic leaper with an impressive wingspan. Mitchell usually has some flashy dunks up his sleeve.
Here's Smith. And then Durant with the jam.
And guys, he's not an easy man to stop when he's got the rim in his sights.
Never has been, never will be. He is a determined finisher.
Oh, how about using the rim to get some true hang time?
You know, he just wanted to make sure the landing was softer than the takeoff. And KD throws it down.
Oh, rising up for the throwdown. I love seeing KD finish with some power. And that's exactly what he's looking for, draining the triple.
And here is Durant. James Harden getting it to go from deep. Durant with it. Stolen by Harden. The first quarter of action, 2 minutes in. Another three for Cleveland.
And Harden is a nightmare in the pick and roll. Just a clever combo guard who is completely unpredictable.
Now here's Durant. And Houston again with the bucket.
Boy, he is looking confident. Love how they're using him so far.
And now they are just going to keep riding that momentum with the hot hand.
Harden, no good. Rockets trail by 4. Pass to Şengün. And he could not get that one to go. Out of contact, and he'll go to the line for 2. It's on Jared Allen.
You watch Şengün, he has all the moves on the interior.
So after making the first, he goes 1 for 2. Cleveland leading by 3. Now Thompson. They double team KD. Pass to Şengün. Outside for Durant. Back to Şengün.
2 minutes remaining.
4 on the shot clock.
2 minutes.
And Durant, here we go. And then Durant with the dunk.
And just so long and elusive on the drive. Durant, excellent at finding ways to navigate inside.
Now here's Harden. He's got 6. Mobley outside. Shoots over KD. And it comes off the front of the rim. And so it's KD with it. He brings up the ball for the Houston Rockets. They trail by 1. .115 left in the first quarter. There's the triple. Harden grabs the miss. And here's Cleveland. In the hoop for his third make from the field. He's 3 for 4 thus far in the contest.
And when Harden's this close, he looks to score. Love his mentality.
KD on the wing. 8 points for him.
And a nice job here early of establishing an inside presence.
And here's Harden for 3. offensive rebound. Back to Mitchell. From the arc. It's rebounded by Houston.
And the great shooters know when they've got enough opening to go for the three. I didn't think it was a bad choice on that possession.
Here's KD. It's good, the assist that time from Smith. KD's got 12 points in the game. To the paint. You put it down hard!
Watch out below. Woo!
Wow. We are going to remember that one for a while.
I know I will, Greg. That was special. That was really special. James Harden getting it done for the Cavaliers. He notched 8 points in the quarter and has that terrific basketball instinct on display. And we've got more. Some good action already in this one, but a fairly even matchup after the first quarter of play. And from what you guys have seen so far from Cleveland, what's your take?
Well, pounding the boards is one way to gain an advantage. They simply owned the glass in that first.
They clearly wanted to be the more physical team, and they are setting the tone that way. I love the work.
Pass to Green. Van Vliet, right side. Stolen by Mitchell. The wide open shot from Strus. Knocks down the three ball. Strus has got the opening basket here in the second quarter for the Cavs. Van Vliet looking around. Drives to the hoop. 2 points. That one goes.
And willing himself to the basket, Van Vliet has earned his spot in the NBA. This guy hard to deny.
To the middle. And Allen slams it in.
Well, this is a good reminder for anybody who thinks he's too small for a 5. His athletic ability totally levels the playing field.
And so the timeout taken here by Ime Udoka. He's going to have a discussion on the sideline. Second quarter, and we're just over a minute in. Here's Thompson. To Okogie. Now here's Durant. So smooth on the three from Durant.
And you just love how quickly KD gets into his shot. No wasted motion.
Wade outside. Good, and it's Mitchell picking up the assist. Wade's got his first 2 points. Here's KD. Using his length inside. Durant.
Really like how Durant is playing tonight. Going for his. This guy is just so unreal.
With the step back. Mitchell wide open. Connects from three-point range. Mitchell's got 5 points so far.
Oh, terrific move there. I think he may need to check those ankles. He's just left the defender on the ground.
Man, that is nasty. What a move.
Shot clock at 6. Durant, no good. Cleveland leading by 4. A 3 from Strus. Outside Durant. And Max Strus picks up the foul. That is his first foul of the game. And we're now a little over 2.5 minutes into the second quarter. Screen by Şengün. And that's good. Kevin Durant for 3. Durant's got a pair of triples in the second now for the Rockets. Mitchell is double. Pass to Schroeder. And he can't answer back. The three-pointer offline. Left side, KD. .146 left now here in the second. Shot clock at 5. Here's Şengün. And he'll shoot free throws here. Clearly fouled on that shot that time. The whistle blowing.
Competitive, selfless,
and a high basketball IQ. Şengün with the traits every coach loves.
Well, probably a little draft in the arena tonight. He's the last guy you expect to miss the mark by that much.
Absolutely. Here's Mitchell, and good. He got the English that time as it falls. Mitchell's got 7.
And bursting through inside, so difficult to contain when Mitchell's on the attack. Oh, and he went for the two-hander on the slam, using some muscle.
Some urgency from him there, sure. Wade, and the layup is good. Wade's got 4 points now in the quarter.
And they've repeatedly probed inside in the first half, guys, and it's paid off.
It's good. Durant's got the game tied up here for the Rockets.
Just working his way inside there. Durant so good at just finding his shot all over the court.
And the call is going to be, yes, it is, an illegal screen.
That's going to draw a whistle every time down the floor. Not even close to being a legal screen.
Well, my feeling is you just want to make sure it's called consistently both ways.
Van Vliet, right side. Shoots over Schroeder. Van Vliet can't get it to go. And here's Harden. 8 points for him. From downtown, Harden with the long-range missile.
I mean, there's just no limit to Harden's range. Even from way downtown, this guy is a threat to score.
Oh, just solid on the one-handed slam.
And guys, when it's a tight ball game like this, he's the guy they want with the ball.
Pushing the action, getting others involved. He does it time and time again.
That is just beautiful ball movement, unselfish basketball.
So that'll be it for the first half. Fairly even battle underway in this one. Cavaliers lead by 4. It's the NBA on 2K Sports from Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse. And in that first half, we saw a pretty tight battle. We'll soon find out what sort of adjustments were discussed during the half. Getting inside, it's Harden.
An offensive juggernaut. It's fun watching Harden go out and just take over.
Screen by Şengün. Mobley with the block. And so it looks like the Rockets will retain possession here. Here's KD. And then Durant with the dunk. And it's Harden with the ball for Cleveland. 4-point game. Kicks it out to Allen. Tries a 3. It's rebounded by Houston. Durant deciding where to go with it. Pass to Thompson. Back to KD. Good on the three-point shot. Durant's got 27 points.
And for Durant, it's just that simple. Get the ball and shoot.
Oh, great defense there. Anticipated the play and got there first.
Outside, KD. For the lead, he lays it in. KD's got the lead up to 1 now for Houston.
And you gotta love the big bucket in the paint in this sort of a grind-it-out game.
Harden outside. Makes that one his 6th of the night. Shooting a very healthy 6 for 9.
I love the shot selection from him right now. He's not settling, and that's why he's shooting at a very high rate.
Outside, KD. Durant drives.
The speed and the commitment from Durant sets his sights on the bucket and not to be denied.
Pass to Harden. Over Thompson. Back to Harden. From deep three-point land. Şengün with the rebound.
And he missed that one, but I've seen him drill shots from that distance in warm-up.
Well, that's not a horrible shot for him to take, but you could still probably find a higher percentage shot.
This one for three. Cavaliers with the rebound. Here's Allen. And then Allen slams it in.
Awesome job running the correct route there, and Allen just beating everyone to the right spot. Nice.
Durant down low. Şengün no good. The Cavaliers leading. A shot by Harden, wide open. Sinks the three-pointer. Harden's got 18 points in the game.
And a large portion of Harden's shots come from the perimeter, and for good reason. He is an absolute sharpshooter.
And so the timeout taken here by Ime Udoka. He made the decision to huddle up with his guys and talk about strategy. So both teams making some changes here. Rockets trail by 4. Thompson surveying the floor. And Thompson slams it home.
Rocketing off the deck. Thompson showing that youthful exuberance.
Out to Wade. Back to Mitchell. They set the screen. And it's out of bounds. Last touch by Mitchell.
Well, you can't let that happen. That seems like a mental mistake.
And here are the Rockets now. Thompson outside. Here he goes. Out to Smith. Back to Thompson. It's stolen by Schroeder. 8 on the wing. Another 3 for Cleveland. And we'll get a look at how the hustle stat game has been going for the Cavaliers.
All game long, they've had active hands and really out in the passing lane. And that aggression on defense has resulted in a ton of steals.
Here's Schroeder. And there's the drive. A basket good off the assist from Wade.
Yeah, everybody will remember the bucket, but how about that pass to set it up?
Thompson outside. And Thompson throws it down.
Tenacious on the attack. Thompson is fantastic at finding lanes to the basket.
5 seconds separating the shot and game clocks. Mitchell looking it over. A three-pointer, no good. Here's Thompson. Yes! And the foul. It's going to be on Donovan Mitchell.
How about battling through the impact there and then wheeling that basketball in?
The Rockets shooting their 5th attempt at the line in the game. Did you see that? Donovan Mitchell.
Wow, and that sort of showmanship is just deflating right now to a team trying to get back into a game like this.
Ouch, Greg, that is definitely an emphasis.
The Rockets, 45.
And with these teams locked in a very close contest, this 4th quarter promises to be a good one. Right side, Durant. Down low. And timeout is called by Ime Udoka. And he wants to see some changes out there right away and right now. And now let's swing it over to Allie LaForce on the sideline.
Hey guys, during that last break, I heard Ime Udoka as he talked with the team. And he was adamant that they need to tighten up their D. That lack of communication at that end has led to breakdowns, wide open shooters, and easy buckets. He sounded pretty frustrated, guys.
And as always, Allie, great job. Thank you. Here's Harden on the wing. The baseline jam. And the Cavaliers get another bucket right there.
And that's what makes Harden so tough to contain. He can hurt you at all three levels and gets them from the mid-range on that one.
High post, KD. Pass to Smith. It's stolen by Wade. And here we go. Wade heading to the hoop. And he can't extend the lead to double digits. Durant for three. Oh, and he almost had a 4-point play right there. He'll go to the line with a chance for three.
Such a unique player. Kevin Durant, pure shooter, incredibly skilled, all at nearly 7 feet tall.
Cavaliers making a switch here. Cleveland leading by 6. Here's Harden, and he overdid it there. Too much force, it looked like, on the foul, and he's called for the flagrant.
Boy, a very hard foul that time, and the officials had to slap him with the flagrant. I mean, you can't let him get away with that kind of contact.
Yeah, gee, that's an easy call for the officials to make when there's that much contact. The league is really cracking down on those sort of plays. And out of bounds as the Rockets gain possession. Rockets trail by 8. Here's Durant. Lays it up off the glass. KD's got 12 points in just the second half.
And the D not really doing its job there. A little slow to react to the ball getting into the paint.
Harden outside. The Cavaliers again can't hit. And it's Durant with the ball. He'll bring it up for the Rockets. Screen by Şengün. Finishes inside on the nice dish.
Let the big fella eat. Şengün just doing his thing down low.
Harden. The three doesn't go. Rockets trail by 4. And Durant gets double teamed. Outside, Smith. Here's Şengün. 4 on the clock. It misses.
And that leaves his coach scratching his head because you can't get a better look than that.
Now Mobley throws it down. What an assist!
If you came to watch a scoring battle, you're in the right place.
We thought this might be the case coming in. Not a lot of defense out there right now.
Mitchell. Smith there for the rebound. And it's Houston's ball. So far in the fourth quarter, they've allowed just 6 points. Outside, Durant. And Durant gets double teamed. Here's Şengün. Smith driving to the basket.
And this is a statement bucket. If you weren't excited about Smith already, how about now?
Outside Mobley. Now Mitchell. He'll put it up there. And it's home. Rockets on offense. Trailing by 2. Durant inside. And he banks the layup in.
Remember that one, guys, a difference maker.
What a big-time shot. Those are the moments you dream about as a kid.
Here's Houston now. Big stretch here going 10-2. And trying for the go-ahead basket. Doesn't go in. And Kenny Atkinson calls timeout. No doubt he is feeling the importance of this moment right now. Here is Harden. Six to shoot. Now Mobley. And the ball goes out of bounds. Last touch by Mobley. And timeout is called by Ime Udoka. This is a huge moment, folks, in this game. And he wants to be prepared.
Substitution for your Cavaliers.
Durant! And that's going to do it for regulation. So we are headed to overtime. It's the NBA on 2K Sports from Cleveland. Glad to have you with us as we get going in overtime. Neither team giving an inch in this one. Wade outside. For three. The three goes down.
And they've got to talk to each other on D there. Miscommunication, and now he's able to make a play.
What a pass right there. Coaches love seeing guys making it easy for their teammates.
Mitchell fires. Now Şengün. Outside Durant. Now Şengün. Down to 5 on the shot clock. To take the lead. Mitchell hits down the rebound. And it's Mitchell with the ball for the Cavaliers. They lead by 1. Outside Mobley. Oh, that was a two-hander.
Oh, he went for the two-hander on the slam, using some muscle.
Some urgency from him there. Sure. Durant going up high. Kevin Durant.
And with the right partner, Durant is an unstoppable force in that pick and roll. It's a very high percentage play when he's running.
Now Mobley. It's Allen. It's in there.
And look at how ready Allen was to fight for it. He's willing to go to battle for his team.
Now Thompson. Now Durant. Fires the three. Rebounded by Allen inside. Cleveland leading by 3. Does not go.
Well, you don't really need to try to put on a show right there. Keep it simple.
Outside Durant to tie it up. Can't get it. This could be a turning point.
Critical possession right here.
Now here's Harden. Shoots the 3. There's Harden training to 3.
One of the best closers in our game. James Harden coming up big.
Kevin Durant. Jumper is off. Harden with it. Wade outside. Knocks down the 3.
And they've been a different team here in overtime. They just seem to have lost their energy. And guys, overtime not nearly as competitive as regulation. They've used up all their energy just getting it to overtime.
And so it's Cleveland winning this one. They escape with a victory, although